The moment you hear the name Mercedes AMG GT 63, you already expect something dramatic. A car that blends luxury, speed, and aggressive design into one unforgettable machine. But the 2026 version takes things even further. This isn't just a luxury sports sedan anymore. It's a four-door supercar built to dominate highways, racetracks, and everything in between. Today, we're diving deep into the all-new 2026 AMG GT 63 to see why this monster is turning heads across the automotive world. Right from the first glance, the design makes a bold statement. The car sits low, wide, and incredibly muscular. At the front, the iconic Panamericana grille instantly tells you that this is no ordinary Mercedes. Large vertical chrome slats stretch across the grille, giving the car a race-inspired look that traces its roots back to the legendary motorsport heritage. Flanking the grille are sleek LED headlights that look sharp and futuristic, almost like the eyes of a predator ready to strike. Moving along the side profile, the AMG GT 63 reveals its signature four-door coupe shape. The roofline flows smoothly toward the rear, creating a sporty silhouette that almost looks like a two-door sports car. Yet it hides a surprisingly practical interior with space for passengers and luggage. Massive air intakes, sculpted body lines, and aggressive wheel arches give the car a powerful stance that demands attention wherever it goes. At the rear, things get even more exciting. Slim LED taillights stretch across the back, while a large diffuser and quad exhaust tips remind you that serious performance lives under the hood. When the engine roars to life, those exhausts produce the kind of deep, thunderous sound that makes car enthusiasts smile instantly. But let's talk about what really matters in an AMG, the engine. Under the hood of the 2026 AMG GT 63 sits a handcrafted 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine. This masterpiece of engineering produces around 577 horsepower and an incredible amount of torque. Thanks to this power, the car can rocket from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just over 3 seconds. That's supercar territory. The engine is paired with a 9-speed AMG speedshift transmission that delivers lightning-fast gear changes. Whether you're cruising through the city or pushing the car hard on a track, the gearbox responds instantly. Power is sent to all four wheels through the advanced AMG Performance 4MATIC all-wheel drive system, which ensures maximum grip and stability even under extreme acceleration. But if 577 horsepower doesn't sound insane enough, there's an even crazier version waiting in the wings. Meet the hybrid powerhouse known as the Mercedes AMG. This version combines the V8 engine with an electric motor to create a staggering output of more than 800 horsepower. The result is a four-door luxury car that can accelerate like a hypercar. What makes this hybrid system even more fascinating is how it was inspired by Formula One technology. Engineers from Mercedes AMG Petronas Formula One team helped develop the performance battery system used in this car. That means every time you hit the accelerator, you're experiencing technology that was born on the racetrack. Of course, raw power is only part of the story. The AMG GT 63 also features an advanced suspension system called AMG Ride Control Plus. This adaptive suspension constantly adjusts to road conditions and driving style, giving you a comfortable ride when cruising and razor-sharp handling when driving aggressively. Another impressive feature is rear-wheel steering. At lower speeds, the rear wheels turn slightly in the opposite direction of the front wheels, making the car feel more agile and easier to maneuver. At higher speeds, they turn in the same direction as the front wheels, improving stability and cornering performance. All of this technology means the AMG GT 63 can behave like two completely different cars. In comfort mode, it's smooth, quiet, and refined, perfect for long road trips. But switch to sport or race mode, and the personality changes instantly. The exhaust becomes louder, the suspension stiffens, and the throttle response sharpens. Suddenly, you're driving something that feels ready for the racetrack. Now let's step inside, because the interior of the AMG GT 63 is just as impressive as its performance. Open the door, and you're greeted by a cabin that blends luxury with motorsport inspiration. High-quality materials surround you everywhere. Nappa leather, brushed aluminum, carbon fiber, and soft ambient lighting that glows throughout the cabin. The dashboard is dominated by a large digital display system that includes a fully customizable instrument cluster and a higher resolution infotainment screen. This system runs on the advanced MBUX interface developed by Mercedes Benz, offering voice control, navigation, smartphone integration, and a wide range of vehicle settings. The steering wheel itself feels like it came straight out of a race car. It features performance controls that allow you to adjust driving modes, suspension settings, and exhaust sound without taking your hands off the wheel. Comfort is another area where the AMG GT 63 shines. The seats are designed to provide both support and luxury. They hug your body during aggressive driving, but remain comfortable during long journeys. Heated, ventilated, and even massage seat options are available, ensuring every ride feels premium. Despite being a performance machine, the car also offers surprising practicality. The rear seats provide enough room for passengers, making this a true four-door performance vehicle. There's also a decent amount of cargo space in the rear hatch, allowing you to carry luggage for weekend trips or everyday errands. Safety and driver assistance technology are also a major part of the package. The AMG GT 63 includes features like adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, and automated emergency braking. These systems work together to make driving safer and more relaxing. But beyond all the technology and luxury, what truly makes the AMG GT 63 special is the feeling it delivers when you drive it. Press the start button and the V8 engine roars to life with a deep growl. The entire car feels alive, almost like a wild animal waiting to be unleashed. Tap the accelerator, and the response is immediate. The car surges forward with incredible force, pinning you back into the seat. As the speed climbs, the engine note becomes louder and more aggressive. The turbos whistle, the exhaust crackles, and every gear shift feels like a punch of adrenaline. It's the kind of driving experience that reminds you why performance cars exist in the first place. Yet somehow, despite all that power, the AMG GT 63 remains surprisingly easy to live with. It can cruise quietly through city streets, glide smoothly on highways, and provide luxury-level comfort for everyday driving. That combination is exactly what makes this car so unique. It's not just a sports car. It's not just a luxury sedan. It's the perfect blend of both worlds. In many ways, the 2026 AMG GT 63 represents the future of high-performance luxury vehicles. It proves that you don't have to sacrifice comfort to enjoy extreme performance. You can have both in one stunning machine. And when you look at the design, hear the roar of that V8, and feel the explosive acceleration, it becomes clear why the AMG GT 63 has become one of the most exciting performance sedans on the planet. So whether you're a car enthusiast, a luxury lover, or someone who simply appreciates incredible engineering, the 2026 Mercedes AMG GT 63 delivers an experience that few vehicles can match. It's powerful, it's luxurious, and it's undeniably thrilling. And once you hear that engine roar, you'll understand exactly why AMG fans around the world are calling it one of the most exciting four-door supercars ever built.